Hey guys, my name is BarbiePinkLifestyle. Thanks so much for swinging through. If you're already a supporter of mine, you guys know I appreciate you so much from the bottom of my big heart. And yeah, so today's video, actually it was not about to be today's video, guys, but it came in the mail today. So you guys know that I am signed up for Influenster, and if you're not a member on Influenster, I'll definitely leave everything down below so you can join. Basically, Influencer is a website where you get free products sent to you for your honest review. A lot of the time it's new products that people aren't really familiar with, but you can also do reviews on hotels and like travel, cars, all that thing. So all that jazz. So anyways, this Influencer is going to be a makeup review. So I want to go ahead and unbox it and we will see what we got today. So let's see. I honestly don't even know which one this is because I have a few coming. So wow, what the heck, Influencer? They use this. Okay, so they definitely use like some industrial tape that I can't get off, and I don't have my scissors. Did you guys have a good day today though? I hope you all had a really good day, a blessed day. My Uncle Charles from Blended Chaos channel, if you guys aren't familiar with Blended Chaos channel, I'll leave it down below, but he basically did a challenge to make sure you thank God every day. So I've actually been doing that challenge every day. I've been thanking him for many things, and I wasn't doing that before, so I feel like it's actually helping me be a better me and a better person. So thank you so much, Blended Chaos, for just challenging me to thank God more, because I really have. I do it at work too when I'm in the room by myself. But yeah, so I'm going ahead and opening the box. So let's see what we got. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, so I'm really excited for this box because it's from my favorite drugstore brand. It's from Maybelline. So today we received the Maybelline New Master Blur Stick by Face Studio. It says that the new Master Blur Sticks create smooth, even, poreless looking skin in an instant. All the benefits of a primer now in an effortless and mess-free stick. Wear alone or under makeup to prolong the look. So let's see which one they sent us. Uh-oh, Maybelline. I don't think I'll ever be able to wear this alone. The shade that I got is 130 and it's in medium tan. So I'll open it. It's in medium tan, so I don't know if I'll be able to wear this, but I'll show it to you guys. So I have the shade 130. This is the master stick here, and it looks just like that. And the lid is just a little quick pop off like that, and then you have your product. It says this is a 0.3 ounce. I think this is the regular size. Yeah, this is the regular size. This is not a travel size. So they sent me a regular size stick, and we can swatch it right here. Oh my gosh. Actually, I think I might be able to wear this. It like blends right in. It's this color right here. So I actually might be able to wear this. So let's twist it up so you can see how much product you get. So you do get a lot of product. That's pretty decent for this stick. A lot of the sticks that are higher end come like this much, and that's it. So for this to be drugstore, I honestly think you get a lot of product. But since this is a blur stick, I think it might be a little too heavy for summertime. I'm going to play with it and see if I like it. Maybe I could use the blur stick and then like a powder on top to kind of set it and then have it match me. We'll see. I'll try to see if I can come up with something to do with this. So we'll just see on this. But yeah, that's all that they sent me from Influenster for Maybelline. So thank you so much to Influenster for always sending me really good products to review for you guys. If you want to join Influenster and receive free products and review them with your honest opinion, make sure you click the link down below. I'll go ahead and leave that information for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave me some video requests down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.